Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So, today in food and nutrition, we are going to be looking at safety procedure in handling equipment. Okay? Our topic for today in food and nutrition is on safety procedure in handling equipment. Do we understand? What do we mean by safety procedure in handling equipment? Safety procedure in handling equipment refers to the rules and steps you should follow to ensure a safe environment when using tools or equipment in activities related to food and nutrition. Okay? Do you understand? It means following simple rules to stay safe when using tools or machines for food and nutrition. Okay? So now we're going to be looking at need for a safe workspace. A safe workspace helps us focus on learning without worrying about getting hurt. It's like a protective shield for us while working with equipment. Okay? So why do we need a safe workspace? Imagine these safety procedures as our protective guidelines. And having a safe workspace is like providing the perfect environment for these guidelines to shine, okay? It's about more than just using equipment correctly. It's creating a secure zone where we can confidently apply what we have learned without worries. Do you get that? So having a safe workspace means we can use what we have learned without any problems. Okay? Good. So a safe workspace is essential to protect you from potential hazards associated with handling tools. So we're going to be looking at safety in handling equipment. What are the safety in handling equipment? Learn first. Get proper training on how to use equipment safely. This is like learning the rules before playing the game. So you ensure you receive adequate training on the correct usage of equipment, okay, before using the equipment. So you learn first, proper training. Get the lowdown on how each tool works so you can use them safely. Learn how to use the equipment first. Do you understand? Good. Always have a guide. When using equipment, make sure a teacher or supervisor is around to help if needed. It's like having a coach during practice. Okay? Make sure a teacher is around you when you're using equipment. Do you understand? Always have a teacher or a supervisor around you when using equipment. Wear safety gear. Use gloves or aprons if needed. It's like wearing armor to stay safe while walking. Okay? So you put on gloves or anything else if you need to stay safe. Wear safety gears. Do you understand that? Okay, good. Check equipment. Before using anything, Make sure it's in good shape. It's like checking your bike before riding. So you check the equipment before you start. Make sure everything is good to go. Do you understand? So safety in handling equipment. First, you learn first. Second, always have a guide. Third, wear safety gear. And fourth, check equipment. Okay? Know what to do in an emergency. Learn what to do if something goes wrong, like how to turn off equipment quickly. It's like knowing where the emergency exit is in a building. So you learn what to do if something goes wrong. Just like how you know where the emergency exit is, okay? Learn what to do in an emergency if something goes wrong. Keep things tidy. Organize your workspace. It's like cleaning your room so you don't trip over things. So you keep your workspace clean. Organize your things so you don't trip or knock things over. Okay? Keep your workspace clean. Lift smart. If things are heavy, lift them the right way. It's like using your legs, not just your back, when picking up something hefty. So if things are heavy, you lift them the right way, like bending your knees, not your back. Do we understand? Good. Be careful with chemicals. If you're dealing with chemicals, follow the rules for handling, storing, and throwing them away. It's like handling special portions with care. So you handle chemicals with care, okay? If you're dealing with chemicals, follow the rules. It's like handling special stuff with caution. Do we understand? So safety in handling equipment. 5. Know what to do in an emergency. 6. Keep things tidy. 7. Lift smart. And 8. Be careful with chemicals. Okay? Do we understand? So today's lesson on safety procedure in handling equipment, we understood everything, right? We looked at the need for a safe workspace, and we also looked at safety in handling equipment, right? So we understood today's lesson on safety procedures in handling equipment. Good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure you're going to be able to do your assignment, right? It's easy, right? Okay, that is good.